Is there a loop between inflammation and oncogene?
Well, it is known that there are oncogenes that, once activated, induce a constitutive activation of inflammation, such as the transcription factor NFKB, for instance, can be constitutively activated by several oncogenes.
Does IL-1 play a role in carcinogenesis and tumor progression?
Yes, it is. It has been established that IL-1 contributes to neoplastic transformation. In general, the mechanism is not direct on the cancer cells, but because it impacts on the immune microenvironment. Even if it is known that inflammation per se can contribute to genetic instability.
Could IL-1 has a role as a therapeutic target?
Sure, IL-1 is a therapeutic target. There are several approaches to block the activity of IL-1 through antibodies or receptor antagonists, which are intensively used in several inflammatory conditions.